What up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, back with another vlog. This is day 3 of Vlogmas, okay? Not necessarily December 3rd, okay? I'm doing Vlogmas, but not every single day. We just don't have that kind of time and energy, but I'm shooting for like an every other day type of thing. You know, in my eyes, Vlogmas is just like way more videos than I would usually give in a month. You know, like that everyday thing, that's for like full-time influencers. Me, however, I wanted to do a little bit more than just a weekly Vlogmas. At first I was gonna try to do it every single day, and I was like, girl, no, we work 40 hours a week. We have a test to study for. Like, there's no way that's happening. So I'm like, every other day or a few times a week, you know, just more videos than I would usually give in a month. I usually give like 3-4 videos a month, but not this month, okay? We doing extra stuff. Anyways, so today it is Saturday, and I was just rambling on. It is Saturday and my life is kind of a mess right now. We need to get it together. My apartment is a mess. My hair is a mess. I haven't been to the gym in days. I haven't studied for the GRE. If you didn't know, I'm going back to school to get my master's degree, so I'm studying for the GRE. Haven't done that in a couple days and I'm wilding out. So we are gonna get our lives together today. I have a few things to do, which is one, clean up my apartment, because as you can see behind me, it's a mess, all right? It's not dirty, but it is messy. Like, I don't really need to do like a deep cleaning. I did that last week and I'm hardly ever home. So I just need to like tidy up. I need to do something with this hair, girl, because what is happening? Okay, so we need to get that together. I need to finish this wig for my friend Jaleesa. She asked me to construct this wig for her weeks ago, and I am extremely late on it, and it's completely my fault. And I'm so sorry, Jaleesa, if you're watching this video. You probably not, but if you are, girl, I'm sorry. I'm finishing it today. So I also need to plan out the rest of my videos for this month of Vlogmas, okay? Because I do want to batch record some things this weekend. Don't know if that's going to be today or tomorrow. Most likely tomorrow, but we'll see. I also want to schedule in some time to take some pictures for Instagram and do some reels and such. Like, I just want to get some content out the way because I don't have any like sponsorships or hard deadlines. So this is a great time for me to like, you know, make some cool, cute content or whatever. So let's get to it. So first thing I'm gonna do is just get this wig out the way because, child, I've been procrastinating on it for about a month or two. We gonna finish it today, okay? So let's. So I got a wig on because I got on FaceTime, and you know, like, anyways, so I'm done with the wig. She looks good. She looks good. I kind of wish I would have started. I didn't realize how curly this hair was, so I probably should have did like the longest tracks at the top and the shortest to the bottom so that it looks a little bit more layered and better. But Jaleesa's a stylist and she can make this look good, so it'll be all right. It's not that big of a deal. So I, as you saw, just like cleaned up a little bit, swept the floors because they were super hairy. And so now I'm just gonna like try to tidy up my kitchen. I do want to go to the gym, so I'm gonna do that after I finish cleaning everything up. I did say that I was gonna plan out my batching content for the next week. So I don't know if I should do that before I go to the gym or after I go to the gym. I don't know. We'll see. It all just depends on the time and whatever. So let's just get to cleaning this kitchen, because child. Okay, don't judge me, but I want y'all to see what it looks like right now. Okay, don't judge me. I'm a busy girl. I don't have a lot of time. I have to make breakfast in the mornings and immediately leave the house. So sometimes the kitchen gets crazy, but this is what it looks like. So over here, it's not terrible, but it's messy. And then we have the sink and everything that's going on here. That is from breakfast this morning. So I promise that has not been sitting out for days. This is all from breakfast this morning. So, oh my God, I left my eggs out. Oh no, this gotta go in right now. Ain't been that long, so it's not that bad, but a lot of work to do in the kitchen. Let's get to it. Hey guys, I'm at the gym and I have it all to myself. I love it. This is why I come to the gym on Saturdays, because I like having the gym to myself so I can vlog in peace and just use whatever machine I want to use without having to wait, you know? So I'm gonna do legs, of course. I'm gonna do kind of everything because it's been a while since I've been in here. So I'm gonna do a little bit of leg, a little bit of arm, a little bit of cardio. I might go for a walk because it's a really nice day. So I might just do the cardio there, but I like to warm up on the elliptical, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna just kind of make it up as I go along. Hey y'all, so I'm back at the crib. As you can see, let's focus. I got a pretty good workout in. My legs feel like noodles, so that's always a good sign. Whew, I'm tired. I still might go for that walk just because music just started playing out of nowhere. I still might go for a walk just because it's such a nice day and I'm just feeling really energetic right now. My legs also feel like noodles and I don't know if I should do that to myself, but it'd be nice to get more of a workout in. I don't know how much of a workout, I don't know how long that was, but that was probably like an hour or something. Whew. But I would like to get a little cardio in, but I might just go for a walk tomorrow or something. I don't know, we'll see how I feel in the next minute or so. But yeah, so I mean, I think I've had a pretty productive day. I've been vlogging. I cleaned up the apartment a little bit. I still have some laundry to fold, but that can be done at any point today or tomorrow. I got a workout in. I planned my content for the week and like sort of plan my next week at a glance, kind of. So it's been a pretty good Saturday. I will say it's been a pretty good Saturday. The only thing I really have left to do is possibly go to the grocery store so that I can like make something for dinner tonight, because I definitely left my food at work, which was supposed to be my dinner for tonight. So I don't know what I'm about to eat for dinner. So we're gonna find that out and figure out what I'm gonna do as far as that goes. But hey guys, so it is Sunday and I originally was just gonna keep this vlog as a Saturday vlog kind of thing, but then I realized that there's not much going on and I never got my hair together and you know, it just felt incomplete. So right now I'm editing this piece of the vlog from yesterday. I'm also waiting for my order from Publix to be ready so I can go pick it up, because I hate grocery shopping. Let me tell y'all something, okay? If there's one thing that Janelle does not like to do, it is grocery shop. I hate going in there It's cold. It's hella people in there with their carts. They don't know where to go. It's just annoying. I just hate grocery shopping. I feel like I have way better things to do with my time. I'm not like a cooking person. So like the whole experience is just not fun for me. You know, I just want to get in there and get out, and then I end up forgetting to get things. I have to go back during the week. I hate the whole experience. So once this Publix started doing pickup, I was on it like white on rice, child. Okay, so I am waiting for them to finish. Oh, it's ready. So I'm gonna go pick it up. So I'm gonna go pick up my order. I'm gonna come back, get in the shower, and do this hair because it's a mess and I need to do it. I'm gonna do my hair lazy girl style. I'm just gonna wash it and then do a quick braid down so that I can have a braid out for maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. I don't know. I do my hair very lazily now, so it's just gonna be a quick shampoo, condition, and then I'm gonna braid it down with probably some gel or some mousse or something, and then it's gonna be a cute braid out tomorrow, or if it's not dry, the next day. I will probably just slap a wig on top of it if it's not cute. Girl, I don't know. But let me go pick up this order. All right, you guys, I was supposed to vlog the whole curbside pickup experience, but y'all know what that looked like. Anyways, so I got my groceries. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything in the fridge for now. I'm gonna hop in the shower, do my hair, because girl, it's a mess. It's a mess. So we're gonna get this together. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay. Alright, y'all, so sorry about the lighting, but I'm in my bathroom getting ready to add some product to my hair. Just want y'all to see, you know, what my hair is looking like these days, because y'all know I'm not doing natural hair videos anymore. Not like that anyways, not very often. I will still do hair videos, just not like, you know, I just won't be a natural hair YouTuber, you know? So anyways, I'm gonna put some of this Camille Rose Curl Milk, Curl Love. Yes. Love this stuff. It smells so good, and it just keeps my hair nice and, you know, moisturized. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much in each section, because so if I was doing a wash and go, I would just apply gel straight to my hair, maybe like a spray leave-in or something, but that's it. But since I'm doing a little braid out, using a little bit of like a moisture milk kind of helps to like set my hair, because I noticed that when I just use a styler to do a twist out or a braid out or anything like that, my hair always just, it's like my hair is moisturized, but like the style just doesn't really hold. I don't know how to explain it, but look at that. Look at my hair, just looking all moisturized and defined. Y'all see them little coils? All right now. But yeah, I just noticed that it just, I hate to say dry, because it's not that my hair is dry, it's just that like it's not super defined. It's like too weightless. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like I just need a little bit of something to weigh my hair down a little bit, you know? Like, it's not that my hair is dry, but it looks dry when I only use like a foam or a gel. So I just use a little bit of like some sort of curl milk, styling milk, whatever. And this is my fave right here. Wow. Just so y'all get an idea of what my hair is looking like right now. She is flourishing, okay? Just looking really healthy, defined with no product. Yeah, man. She still very much gives high porosity, because because she dries very quickly. I just put a little bit. By a little bit, I mean like a quarter size amount to each section or each half. I guess. Or maybe a quarter size for each section. That's a little bit for me. For this thick behind hair. Doesn't really feel like there's enough back here, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. See, this is nothing super heavy. Like, this cream is super lightweight. And it just leaves my hair feeling so nice and soft. And it smells so good. Yes. So before I start braiding my hair down, I want my hair to dry a little bit because I just like my braid outs to be a little bit more stretched, you know? If I was doing a twist out, I would do it on like super wet hair, but I don't want my hair to be super wet. I want a little bit of stretch to it. Oh, and just so you guys know, I didn't deep condition or anything. I hardly deep condition these days. I really only deep condition if I'm about to blow out my hair, or if I just blew out my hair, if that makes sense. But even then, sometimes I don't deep condition. I'll just use the Olaplex treatments, which is just shampoo, condition, and well, that's all I have right now. I ran out of, you know, number 4, number 1, whatever number it was, I don't remember, but that usually just does the trick. Like, my hair feels super good after using Olaplex. So now to let my hair dry, I'm gonna use this Aqua's hair turban. I love these things. I have 2 towels and a turban. They are just so good. Okay, and I'm just gonna wrap my hair up in this to help my hair dry, and then I will come back and braid my hair a little later when it's a little bit more dry. Not super dry, obviously. That would take literally a whole day. But just, you know, dry enough. With this little curly hanging out back here. Oh, look at her, she cute. Hey girl. Anyways, I'll be back to like braid my hair down and everything. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna use a foam or a gel yet, but I think I'm probably gonna use a foam so that it dries a little faster. I'm really gonna use gel for wash and goes and twist outs. So I don't know, we'll see.